How to log in into AIS Income Tax. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how you can log in into AIS Income Tax. So let's get right into the video. To log in into AIS Income Tax website, there are many different ways. For example, I will use Safari. Now in the search bar, type aisinsight.gov.in. Once you search for it, this type of reporting portal link will be appeared on your screen. Click on it and now here you can see you can finally log in into AIS Income Tax. You just need to enter your PAN number, password and CAPTCHA that is on the screen. If you have forgotten your password, there is the option of forget password. You can click on it and follow the screen prompts. Once you enter all the information, you are good to go. So that's it. In this simple way, you can log in into AIS Income Tax. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.